We've all been there. You're on the road, you've switched onto low battery mode, turned your phone brightness all the way down, and prayed to the smartphone gods that your dwindling power supply survives until you are within reach of a plug socket. And it doesn't. Why is this scenario a common one for you? Because you don't have a portable car charger to get you through one car ride. Power your adventure with PURGGO, the power delivery car charger by VOG Duo. This car charger is slim, sleek, and stylish. It is so small, smaller than your average pen, more compact than other similar chargers in the market, and less than half an inch thin. But with its innovative USB-C power delivery 3.0, it packs enough power to fast charge your Nintendo Switch, Apple MacBook, and all the latest and even older compatible models of iPhones, tablets, and accessories up to 2 times faster. That's incredible speed and power in one tiny package. Truly a power delivery car charger. The dual port supports 45 watts USB-C and 12 watts USB-A, so you can quickly charge your devices simultaneously while on the go. Simply insert in your car cigarette plug and juice up. Watch, charge, play all the way. The PURGGO is durable and portable, so you can easily take it with you when you travel. It even has the ability to monitor your car battery. The integrated LED notifies you when your car battery needs replacement, a practical gift that your friends and family will surely appreciate.
Brica makes together better by providing you with smart solutions that make your life run smoother. The new Brica Seat Guardian Total Seat Protector was uniquely designed to protect your children and the long-term investment in your car. Since you're going to have a child safety seat in your car for at least 8 years, and your little passenger can get things really messy, Brica designed easy clean grime guard fabric and raised walls to help contain those inevitable cookie, cracker, and juice spills. Safety is always our #1 concern. That's why we developed dual grip traction pad technology. These super grippy pads go all the way through the heavy-duty material so that your safety seat and vehicle seat maintain a non-slip grip. And even though it's not required, we crash tested the Seat Guardian to make sure your child's safety seat performs as it was designed to. The one-piece Seat Guardian makes it easier for you to follow the American Academy of Pediatrics recommendation to keep your toddlers rear-facing until they're 2, or until they reach the maximum height and weight for your child's safety seat in rear-facing mode. The Seat Guardian has an extra tall back panel that stays in place and fully covers the back seat. The Seat Guardian is latch compatible and works with all rear and forward-facing seats. If you don't have a head restraint, you can fold the back panel down to prevent it from falling over. In forward-facing mode, the head restraint strap keeps the Seat Guardian in place to make installing your child's safety seat easier. No fighting with the seat protector to stay up. The front kick panel also protects the lower front edge of your vehicle seat from kicky kids. The thick, durable material blends in with your vehicle's interior while providing excellent real-world protection against compression damage. And its color-safe construction won't bleed onto your upholstery. We know traveling with kids can be a challenge. Brica's promise is to make it run a little smoother. Less hassle, less stress, more time for fun. That's Brica, making together better.
Introducing PURGGO. PURGGO is a German-engineered, patent-pending, and beautifully designed car air purifier and freshener made with 100% all-natural bamboo charcoal. It's for anyone who wants to transform their driving time into a naturally purified personal oasis. PURGGO absorbs and eliminates odor rather than masking it. Bamboo charcoal has been used in many Asian countries for thousands of years to purify both air and water. It's 4 times more porous than regular charcoal, and the pores trap odor particles as air passes through, which purifies the air in your car. Giving you a peace of mind is one of our major objectives, and we're proud to say PURGGO is 100% all-natural and non-toxic. It's fragrance and allergen-free, and asthma and allergy-friendly. The charcoal is safe even if ingested. PURGGO works 24/7 passively and lasts more than 365 days in your car. It's the world's longest-lasting car air freshener. For comparison, common brands last less than 45 days on average. Finally, PURGGO is responsibly made. Bamboo is one of the most renewable natural resources in the world and can grow as much as 40 feet in just a few months. Hemp, which is the fabric used on the outside, grows without pesticides and requires half the amount of water compared to cotton. When you're done with PURGGO, the bamboo charcoal inside can be used as a rich and natural fertilizer for your garden or plants.